Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Okay, so in this video we wanna show you how we can use or what to expect or what we can see or whether we can also we're gonna investigate using this. Okay, this is a binoviewer. This is used on telescopes. This is made to make usually telescopes have one eyepiece entry. Okay, one eyepiece shaft. So this will let the telescopes use two eyepieces. Okay, like this, with both eyes like this. So as you can see, the microscope has also its own binoviewer. Okay, yeah. What we're gonna do is just use this binoviewer on the top over here. Now, what this is here. Okay, is the diameter here is 1.25 inch. So in order to allow this to stand here, okay, of course we're not going to use this binoviewer, we're going to go directly here in the third eyepiece entry. Okay, so we have to use this. This is not one piece, this is two pieces. This is a T adapter, T2 adapter even. Okay, I'll have to raise the camera a little bit. So this is a T2T adapter. Okay, this here, the threads over here are M42 by 075. Okay, M42 by 075. This is how you find it. Okay, this is what a T2 adapter, and here this side, okay, for the T2 adapter is 23 millimeters. So this is the insert over here for the microscope. This is the microscope side. Is 23 millimeters. So this, as I said, this is the female side of the M42, and this side here is a 1.25 inch, like the inner side. Okay, is 1.25 inch. Okay, so I just screw it down, of course, and we just use the binocular or the binoviewer. And I've used here, okay, at 20 millimeters eyepieces. You can use whatever. Just try and see what will work for you. Different eyepieces. Okay, those are telescope eyepieces. Because this is a binoviewer, I will have to use two. And also, by the way, don't get any binoviewer. Those binoviewers must have such. If you can see, they have its own barrel lenses. So there's the one that's 1.85 times Barlow, which is almost like two Barlow, and there's another one similar, which you screw it, it's a 3x. It's in here. Okay, this one. Okay, this one has 3x. Okay, I don't have to remove the covers. Okay. The caps, so you have to install it. Yeah, all that we have to do is just install it like this. Of course, it's a little bit far. Maybe you can revolve the IP, the binoviewer. Okay, imagine two binoviewers, one here, one here. Let's see. So, yeah. So I have to turn on the lights in the bottom. Okay, here. So, microscopes need light from the bottom to let the light pass through the object, to let it pass through the whole path towards the top. Okay. So I will have to refocus. Okay. And it focused. Now I have to take the phone. I will have to attach here this one. Okay, this is a Celestron NextYZ. It's called like this, Celestron NextYZ. It's a mobile phone holder. You just insert your phone here, and you screw the clip over here. Okay. That's enough. Now, the phone that I'm using, okay, is using it's recording this video using an app called IP Webcam Pro. I have nothing to do with the programmer of IP Webcam Pro, but it's a very, very, very nice, very practical application. Please really install it. It's just only on Android. Okay, you can record on both sides. Okay, just by clicking on a button, and it will switch and keep recording. Okay, you don't need, it will do the same thing that you do on YouTube or on Facebook. Okay, and you can also use it with OBS to stream to turn your phone as a IP camera. Okay, similar to your DVR camera. So you're gonna switch. See here, my face directly once. Voila. So this is it. Okay. So we're gonna install the phone like here. Okay, we have to find the position of the eyepiece. This is it, and also the Cessna XYZ has dials where it helped me, or where they helped me. Okay, the two dials to center the view. Okay, and maybe I will have to raise the phone a little bit to give a wider view, and also you can zoom also from the phone itself. Look with me. See, I can go deeper and deeper and deeper into the zoom. Now, please don't care about the resolution. It's very important with IP Webcam Pro. If your phone is a little bit slow, you have to lower the resolution and the quality of the recording and the number of frames per second taken by the phone. Okay, so to keep the video and the audio in sync. But as you can see, we can focus the phone. Okay, we can focus the phone and I mean the view. Okay, so I'm playing with the focusing from below, from underneath, from the microscope. Okay, now let's go back and switch. Okay, so that's me again. So here, regarding this side, it will not be focused, by the way. Okay, I will have to play with the focus over here, okay, in order to get it done. So that's just by holding the phone by my hand. See, it's not completely focused, so I'll have to looking for the view. It's not really practical this way. I'll have to take the or get a holder, mobile phone holder, other one. But I'm telling you, as I told you, this saw a little bit. It was not really completely focused. Okay, let me go back somewhere to get the other holder. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, so I found this one, okay, and you can just simply install this like here. Okay, and then you can take the phone again and install it. This one is harder to calibrate, you know what I mean? I mean, like, set it. Okay, see, so in order to find the location where the IPs should be looking at. Okay, anyways, so you see this is not focused, so here I'll have to refocus again to take much more time. Okay, I mean not much more time, I mean like it will be far in distance. Okay, anyway, solved it. So that's it. So now what's next? Okay, the next thing is that I will is that we will have to remove this, lower this here, okay, because we can, but it's not standing firmly here. It needs something to make it sit firm. I will have to put something that wraps this part, okay, around this part, some kind of tapes, or I don't know what, in order to fill this part here, okay. It will be a little bit shaky, but it works, okay. Let me just put back the phone. Now I have to remove this first. Okay. We will be keeping this part, but we have to move it back down here. Okay. And just install this like this. But as you can see, it's wiggly. Okay, so be careful. Okay, and we have to put this. Okay, and also check whether you'll need a 3 times bar low or 2 times bar low over here, 2x or 3x bar low over here, and we're gonna install this. I hope it doesn't incline. See, it does inclination, so you have to know how to. There's an inclination. Okay. Yeah, there's an inclination. It's hard to be taken to make a picture like this. So you'll have to refocus. This is what I'm gonna tell you by now. I want to complete this video, but you know, this is here, it's wiggly. See, it's wiggly. It doesn't stand still very well. Okay. I'm gonna try our luck. Doesn't matter. See, because we are now on the focusing from below, on the same focusing from below, it focused, okay. But because we shortened the tube or moved move the binoviewer of the telescope towards below, and you're not seeing everything because I have to raise the phone using the Cellstone XYZ adapter, phone adapter. So there's a dial to raise the phone. Okay, and you can still see the effect. And I think there's some kind of magnification, some kind of additional magnification you're gonna get. Okay, this is it. It's not something advantage or disadvantage. This is something that happens, and that's it. Okay, it depends whether you can call it an advantage or a disadvantage. It's up to you. Okay, and we can go with a more zoom like this. Okay, and let's see, and let's focus from the telephone. Maybe let me add from focusing from a microscope itself. Okay, but that's it. That's the most we can get, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, and of course we are doing as a photographer, so you have to put the light in front of you. Okay, and bye.